you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today is one of our favorite times of the month, August favorites. I can't believe summer's basically over and I honestly don't know how to feel about it. I wasn't ready for it to be over, but I am excited to get into fall. But before we move on to September and get into all the fall vibes, gotta share with you guys my favorite stuff from this month. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so we can be connected. And yeah, you guys know how it goes. So let's move on to our August favorites. Alright, so I think that the majority of what I'm going to show you guys is gonna end up being more like home stuff and like decor. So we're gonna start in the kitchen, and the first thing I want to show you guys that I showed you in an unboxing video a little while ago, and it's actually my little cutting board set that I have set up right here. Don't mind the coffee. So these were actually so kindly sent to me by the brand Gitana, and I'll have everything obviously linked down below, but I am so in love with these. They're just so cute, and I'm obviously not going to be really using this to chop stuff up or anything like that. But I think they would be really cute if you're going to do like a little mini charcuterie board on that one, or a slightly bigger one on this side. But that's what I think I will be using these if I do use them. I mainly wanted them as decor, and I knew that I wanted something in that corner because it just felt a little too cold. I obviously love adding brown tones to make it even more neutral in the space. This one actually usually sits right there whenever it's not in the fridge, so I just think it looks a lot nicer now. What I do wish, however, is that my cabinets didn't go as low as they do, because they get kind of tucked away along with everything else I have over there. But I'm still glad to have a lot of space in these cabinets because my kitchen is pretty small. But anyways, love those. I think they look super cute. And another thing that I had shared in that unboxing video that's just one of my ultimate favorites now has got to be my always pan. So this pan is by Our Place. You guys have probably seen it all over the internet. She is so cute. I've been using her every single day now. And this color is just so beautiful. This is in the color Sage. I love how the little spatula can just rest on the handle whenever you're cooking. Anyways, it's just so beautiful. Just gorgeous. And also, I have their Perfect Pot, but I have not used this yet. So once I use it, I will let you know. Okay, next home item, it would have to be my cocktail glasses, which are these tall ones, as well as these. And honestly, these are so stinking cute as well, but I've been using these a lot more. These I can go ahead and still link for you guys because I know somebody's going to ask because I'm always asked, but these are from Prism Boutique. But anyways, okay, so I haven't even been making any cocktails at home really, but I've been using these, as you can tell, for just simply coffee, and I swear it just makes the experience of drinking coffee so much nicer. So I will start with a big glass like this for like the morning, mostly like this. I'm still finishing it up, and then the days when I just want a little bit, I will use this cocktail glass, and I will use one of my large ice cubes. It honestly just makes the experience so much better. And you know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and transition on to one of these. So let me show you guys. And there you go, that's simple, but it looks so much cuter. Now we're gonna add a little bit of creamer. And cheers. You just look fancier drinking out of a cocktail glass. All right, so since we're already in the kitchen, might as well show you my snack favorite. I usually have a lot more snack favorites, but this time I don't. I just have one to show you guys. And they are believe it or not, another protein bar. Okay, so the people of TikTok were so right, because I swear that these taste just like a candy bar. So these have 20 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar, and are 190 calories. I got the flavor chocolate peanut caramel, and I got the big box. So I've gone through a bit, but these are just so good. So what people on TikTok say to do is to put them in the microwave, and then it's like a little dessert. I honestly don't think you even need to put them in the microwave. They already taste like a candy bar. If I had a microwave, I would try it. So if you have it, try it out. But yeah, those are so good. And you know, I always try to have like some type of like protein bar or shake or something in between my meals as a snack. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the snacks. Okay, so next thing I want to show you is another decor piece, and it's kind of a shameless plug because it does come from my shop, but I've been loving them. I've been like trying them out in different spots of the home, and I think they look super cute. They are my Seagrass Baskets that I have made in Vietnam, and these are just so cute. I have them in 3 different sizes, and I'll show you guys. I have them styled throughout the house. So for example, I have this pot that I really love, but the color combo is not really going with my space at the moment. So an easy fix was just to put it in the basket, and now it looks way better. So that's one of them, and that's the small size. Then over here at my little shelf over here, I have another one. I think it's also the small size. This one is also the small size. So this whole blanket, I love this one, but at the moment with how my space is decorated, it would be a little bit too colorful. So I just wanted to tuck it away. These are so perfect for storing things and not just for your plants. And until I need it, I could just tuck it away, and it fits perfectly in these shelves. Then over here in the bedroom, I have another one, and this one is actually the larger size, but I just have one blanket in here. I think I was able to fit another like thicker blanket than this, but I just like the loose fit of it, and I think it looks so cute like that. All right, so next favorite that I knew I was going to share, like literally no questions asked, are my pants, because I've already been wearing these so many times, and I always get asked where they're from. They're from Target, which is my favorite part about it because I don't really buy clothes from Target, but after I found these pants and they became my favorite, I swear I'm going to start buying more clothes at Target. These, I can't remember the brand at Target, but like I said, I'll have everything linked down below. These are like a burnt orangey, like brown color. And recently I shared the link over on my Instagram, and they were on clearance. So definitely check them out. I have the link down below. They were on clearance for like, I think like $17, but trust me, they are so comfortable, and I really want to get more. And also, side note, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on there, because I'm always sharing a bunch of links to basically like everything that I start to become obsessed with. All right, so now the last few things that I want to share with you guys have to do with skincare. And I know what you're thinking, homegirl has like new acne, what does she know about skincare? I honestly have no idea why I started breaking out. My skin was looking so good, so I'm kind of upset, and I'm also those girls that will pick it instead of not picking it. So yeah, that's what happens when you run out of pimple patches, is that you just start picking your face. So I have to get pimple patches again, so thank you for reminding me. All right, so let's get into the skincare. I'm only sharing 2 new things, but these new things have been added to my skincare routine, and I just can't skip them. So the first one that I use every day and night is from Osea Malibu, and this is their hyaluronic C serum. So that's what it looks like, and I have been loving this one so much. It's literally just in a little tube, so you like press this to grab the product and then just squeeze it out. But this has been so nice, and I've been using it all month, literally since I got it, and it looks like it's been lasting a good amount, because like I said, I use this every day and night. But yeah, a little goes a long way for sure. And last skincare product that just I feel like this literally changed my life because it is just such a nice thing to look forward to. It's the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion, and I don't know anything about skincare, guys, but I know that this is a good brand and the reviews are amazing on Amazon and everything. I got so lucky though because this I actually got from a FabFit Fun box. Nothing but good things here. So this one is a pore perfecting exfoliator, and I just use it twice a week at night before bed. It's so nice. So I use it every Tuesday and Friday, and again, a little goes a long way for this. When I run out, I am for sure going to be getting more because I love it. I can't live without it now. Of course, there's other exfoliators, so whenever I have the chance to try them out, I'll try them out. But for now, I'm sticking to this guy because it seriously leaves your skin so smooth. I can't even explain it. So I really love this one, and if you've been thinking about trying it out, I am telling you now, try it out. Oh, and before I forget, I want to share with you guys my favorite plant of the month because she's thriving. So the lighting needs to get a little bit better. But my philodendron, you guys, is doing so well. Don't mind the fact that the white pot is a little bit too big, but soon the leaves will cover that right up. But okay, so this plant I've had for quite a while. I think like very new to when I moved in here, but it was not growing. It just stayed the same. And then the moment I repotted it and put it over here into the bathroom, it has literally grown like double its size, and I'm so in love with it. It's a heartleaf philodendron. I'm just so excited to see it keep growing, and then once it gets a little bit longer, I'm gonna go ahead and propagate some of it so I can have some more, but she's just so beautiful. I love her. Love her. All right, you guys, so those are all of my August favorites. If there's anything that you liked at all, then it's gonna be linked down below, of course. I would love to know what some of your monthly favorites are, so go ahead and let me know down in the comments and share with me because maybe there's something that I should try out. And of course, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I know a lot of you are watching my videos, but you're not subscribing, so why not just subscribe, join the Classy Casita family, and we're all friends over here. And of course, you guys know I have Instagram and TikTok where I share different type of content over there, so you can go ahead and follow me over there as well. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next time.